everyone, let's talk about how Pacorr's computerized MFI tester elevates plastic quality. In the world of plastic manufacturing, precision isn't optional, it's essential. Introducing the computerized melt flow index tester by Pacorr, a smart solution designed to bring unmatched accuracy and reliability to your plastic quality checks. Gone are the days of manual guesswork. With Pacorr's advanced system, you get digital control of test parameters, precise temperature regulation, real-time data capture, and automated calculations, all at the click of a button. Built as per ASTM D1238 standards, this machine helps manufacturers determine the melt flow rate of thermoplastic materials, a key indicator of their processing behavior and quality. Whether you are testing virgin granules, recycled materials, or blends, Pacorr's computerized MFI tester delivers faster results, minimal human error, and full traceability with digital reports. From R&D labs to high-speed production floors, this tester ensures your plastic products meets performance expectations batch after batch. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888-214-9230.